Welcome to Godrej Nature Plus here in Sona, Gurugram. My name is Akshay Pinchal and I'll be giving you a tour of our project today. To start off, let me tell you a bit about Godrej Properties as a brand. Godrej Properties combines a 123-year-old legacy of trust with our commitment to cutting-edge design and technology. We are currently present in 12 cities across the country and have 14 projects in NCR. Godrej Nature Plus is located on Sona Road, bang on National Highway 248A. Rajiv Chowk is just 21 kilometers from our project, and with the completion of the elevated corridor, it is expected to make the connectivity easier and faster. Phase 1 of it covers Subhash Chowk till ISKCON Temple, and Phase 2 is from ISKCON Temple to Sona. We are also just 14 kilometers away from the SPR crossing. Going forward, you can also see that the highway connects you to Kundli Manesar Palwal Expressway. And there is IMT as well that has also started developing. Our project is in proximity to reputed schools and universities like Rayan International School, DPS, GD Goenka, KR Mangalam, etc., which have been operational for several years now. The Aravlis are on both the sides of the project, adding to the scenic beauty of your view. All this makes Sona the next best destination. Our project is bordered by National Highway 248A, which is also known as Sona Road, followed by 50-meter green belt, and then comes our project's boundaries. These are two sector roads which are of 24 meters, and that's our main entrance to the project. We have over 18 acres in our total land bank. This is being delivered in several phases. Phase 1 includes these 7 already launched towers, while the rest will be developed in future. Tower number 3 and 4 has 3 BHK with utility typologies, which is still plus 21 and 24 floors. Now, if we talk about tower number E, F, G, H, J, which comprises of 2 BHK, 2 BHK with deck, 3 RHK typologies, which is still plus 22 floors. The internal pathways are vehicle-free zone, which are only for jogging or walking. This is a theme-based project bifurcated into 3 different categories: green living, active living, social well-being. Green living, we have approx 5 acres of green area, majority of it being the central green area, which we call the O2 Island. It comprises of different theme-based zones like herb garden, fragrance pathway, and fruit trees. To ensure active living of the residents, we have ample amount of sports amenities. For outdoor activities, we have multiple badminton courts, a half basketball court, a cricket practice pitch, a skating rink, etc. For indoor activities, the clubhouse provides all the basic amenities like the gymnasium and the kids play area. We also have 2 special concepts of working out, which are AG6 workout and bungee dancing. We also have many different kinds of pools. The rectangle shaped swimming pool is the half Olympiad size swimming pool. The small one next to it is the kids pool area with a water slide. And the triangle shaped pool is for leisure. For the social well-being of the residents, there is no unit available on the ground floor of the towers. It is all reserved for the family recreational activities like live chess, Monopoly, Scrabble, etc. We also have a social plaza near the main entrance where we have commercial shops for the residents, and we also have an amphitheatre. For your gatherings, we have health cafe and a celebration arena. We also have a pets area along with a bird feeding zone. This fish eye shaped clubhouse has a glass facade and is spread over 1500 square meters. It has abundant amenities like health cafe, karaoke, gym, multi-purpose hall, etc. And we also have a specific place for nursery school as well as primary school. You can also feel safe and secure in the arms of nature here with our 5TA security, providing security at each level from unit to city level. It's now time to have a look at the sample flat of 3 BHK with utility, having usable carpet area of 129.42 square meters. That includes the balcony area as well. This typology is available in tower number 3 and 4. This is the main entrance. Now let's go in and have a look at the sample flat. As we come in, we enter into a very spacious living and dining area. Vitrified tiles have been used in the living and dining area. There's an attached balcony as well. For your convenience, the kitchen is situated right opposite to the dining hall area. A utility balcony is also attached to the kitchen. Through the utility balcony, we can access the utility room. The utility room has an attached bathroom as well as a separate entrance from outside. Attached to the living area, there is a common washroom. It also has anti-skid ceramic tiles to ensure proper safety. Ahead of the living dining hall area, there are 3 bedrooms and this is the first bedroom. It has an attached balcony which continues towards the master bedroom. Opposite to the first bedroom lies the second bedroom. This room too has an attached balcony. It also has an attached personal bathroom. The layout of the master bedroom is standard in all the typologies available in the project. It has a dedicated dressing area and a spacious bathroom. It has an attached king-sized balcony, allowing ample amount of daylight into the room. All balconies have anti-skid tiles. All the bedrooms, including this one, has a laminated wooden flooring. Thank you so much for taking this tour with me. Please reach out to Godrej Properties for any queries. We will surely resolve them for you. We are happy to welcome you soon to the address where health comes first.